So after coming out of 𝐷𝐸𝐒 district, you will see this beautiful area surrounded with beautiful shops and crowd. There are so many ice cream shops, and we choose one of the shop to buy the ice cream. My elder boy play with the ice cream shop people, and he tricked him a lot before he get the ice cream to taste it.
Daniel.
Yeah, you got it.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, Nidhi.
No.
No, please.
So we came out of 𝐷𝐸𝐒 district and we hit this great Medisai Mosque, also called 𝐷𝐸𝐒 Mosque, situated at the border side of the Bosphorus in Istanbul, Turkey. It's really very old, built almost 200 years ago, and looks very pretty with its domes and minarets. It was commissioned by the Ottoman Sultan Abdülmecid I, and its construction was completed around 1854.
So इस साइड जो है मार्मरा सी, ब्लैक सी on this side.
So we will sit in one of these small scale ships to look at the Bosphorus waters. The Bosphorus potato dish is a tasty meal from Istanbul. It's made with sliced potatoes cooked with onion, garlic, spices like paprika and oregano. Sometimes it's also mixed with meat or vegetable. It's a comforting and flavorful dish that many people enjoy along the shores of Bosphorus. And we get a chance in this restaurant that was situated at the shores of Bosphorus, close to the Abdülmecid Mosque.
टर्की में ये रेस्टोरेंट है. रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर ऐसे मेहमान भी आते हैं खाने के लिए. She's hungry. Cats यहाँ बहुत सारी हैं. हर रेस्टोरेंट में, हर स्ट्रीट में.
So our ship will start from this mosque and we'll make a full round between two bridges. Right now I'm on the deck of the ship. You can see there are many ships getting ready, but they're waiting for the weather forecast, which is not good. It's almost rainy time.
Black clouds, rain.
Clouds are very dark, almost time to rain, but we still went there to see the beauty of Bosphorus body in this kind of small ship or boat. People are doing a lot of fishing, they're eating in restaurants, there are a lot of traffic over the bridge. Water looks calm but windy and cold. This is in the month of December. It's very cold at that time.
ठंडा बहुत है.
Either you can go up there in the ship or in the bottom, but bottom looks very warm.
डिसाइड किया कि अंदर नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे बैठते हैं.
But still some people went up there to get the better view of the sea and the bridges and the surrounding areas and the architecture, the beautiful houses.
यहाँ से
Now I'm going in right now. I'm inside the ship.
शिप के अंदर का नज़ारा.
We're passing through the cafeteria of the ship. I'm moving towards the windows, and on the back of the ship, this is through the window, you can see clear.
अंदर बैठ के नज़ारा
Even though the weather is not good, but there are so many ships
Insert the ship.
sailing.
यहाँ पे कैंटीन है। मैं शिप के बैक साइड में आ गया हूँ, तो अभी नीचे से चलने वाला है। शायद ये कुछ करेंगे जब चलेगा। पानी की जो हरकत है वो थोड़ी तेज़ हो रही है, वो विंडी हो रहा है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लाउडी हो रहा है। वो देखो टर्की का जो फ्लैग ऑलमोस्ट छुप गया है बादलों में, काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लाउडी हो रहा है। बहुत प्यारी जगह है। Yeah, these are jellyfish. I can see the jellyfish, man. Beautiful. यहाँ बड़ी शिप फिश है काफ़ी। कहाँ देखी तूने?
Turkish kids enjoying their ride. At last, our ship is about to start now. Welcome aboard, friends, to our virtual journey along the legendary Bosphorus in Istanbul, Turkey. Get ready to experience the magic of this historic waterway like never before. In this bad weather, people are still interested to do fishing, and I saw them since we started from the mosque. They are doing fishing from a long time, even though the weather is very cloudy and rain is about to come. They are busy with catching the fish. I think fishing is very dedicated sport. Like, you need to have a lot of patience. As we set sail, immerse yourself in the beauty of Istanbul's skyline, a mesmerizing blend of ancient and modern architecture. In the month of December, there is the Turkey, Istanbul is less crowded, and in the summer, I heard from the people that it's very crowded. As you can see in the ship, there are hardly few people, and you can easily access without standing in the line anywhere you want to go, like to board a train, buy tickets, and without spending a lot of hours in the lines. December is very easy to feel the taste of Turkey. The weather was not clear, that's why you can see in this video it's very foggy. Even the houses are not clear. It's very cloudy weather and foggy. Passing under the iconic Bosphorus Bridge, you will be treated to breathtaking views of the city's landmarks. Birds were following our ship in search of food. I believe the waves behind create some source of food for them, because when the ship moved, maybe the fish exposed or jump around. And I also noticed people were giving them food, like they throw the food and they try to catch it in the air. Another ship moving along, and the name of the ship is 𝐂𝐻𝐒, because the name of the ship resemble with one of our friend's name, 𝐈𝐒. Some people are still on the roof in this cold weather. It's very cold here, windy. So we are getting closer to our return destination around this mosque. So this journey was between two big bridges. One is this one, and the other one we left behind. You can not see this bad weather. It's getting closer to our destination, close to this mosque. And then when we finish, we will walk around the area and try to go to the mosque for prayer.
Ship is back. We are going out.
They parked the ship. Now going out. Gibran find out something. Dead jellyfishes. There are so many dead jellyfish getting out of the ship. Then I will go to the mosque for prayer. This mosque was very peaceful. I saw only 2 or 3 people here, and the design from inside of this mosque was beautiful, eye-catching. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, to the next destination. Thank you.